Huawei recently announced a new addition to its productivity-focused MatePad Pro series at a global event in Dubai. And it's the company's biggest and most ambitious tablet yet for the consumer market. The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch offers impressive specs to justify its premium price tag. But how does it stack up against the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, which launched last year as a media powerhouse with a 12.4-inch AMOLED display and top-of-the-line specs? Both occupy the same high-end price segment more or less and are positioned as laptop replacements, so we thought, why not compare them since they're very similar and yet also so different at the same time? Let's start with the obvious and talk about the aesthetics and the hardware. The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch wins this beauty contest hands down, and it's not even close. Huawei's newest tablet not only has a larger, brighter, and more natural-looking OLED display with a 3:2 aspect ratio and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness, it's also slimmer and lighter than the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. High-res HDR streaming is supported out of the box, but you can run your favorite streaming apps via the G-Box virtual machine to enable 1080p HDR10 streaming. Notably, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch boasts a higher screen-to-body ratio, so it's about the same size as a Samsung tablet, while offering more screen real estate to fit more content without compromising readability. Nowhere is this more evident when viewing a web page, document, or spreadsheet. Huawei quotes a screen-to-body ratio of 94% for the MatePad Pro 13.2-inch, which is the highest in the industry. Whereas the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, with its much thicker bezels, has a ratio of about 84%. Both tablets feel sturdy and well-built, but the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus offers better protection against the elements, thanks to its IP68 rating and sheet of scratch-resistant Corning Gorilla Glass layered on top of the panel. If you're after a more comfortable viewing experience, we think the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch has the upper hand in that regard. Its panel is one of the best and brightest we've seen on a tablet regardless of size, and it also runs at a higher refresh rate, 144Hz versus Samsung's 120Hz display. It's much less reflective and comes with 1440Hz PWM dimming for better performance under low brightness conditions compared with the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. When it comes to productivity, both devices support accessories like a keyboard case and stylus for graphics work and a more PC-like experience. Their keyboard cases also have built-in kickstands and touchpads, although we found Huawei's smart magnetic keyboard easier to use, thanks to its larger keys and touchpad, which supports gestures including tap to click as well. We should also mention that the connection to the keyboard case is wireless, unlike what Samsung has been doing with its tablets, which need to be attached to the keyboard case to make it work. This allows you to position the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch how you like on a flat surface when typing. You can even use the generously sized keyboard touchpad to act as a remote shutter and take group photos using the dual camera setup at the back or 16-megapixel selfie cam. No need to set a timer. Samsung's S Pen is big enough to write comfortably on the tablet screen and connects and charges magnetically, just like the third-generation M Pencil that debuts near-link technology in a consumer device and pairs with the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch so well. Compared with Bluetooth, Near-Link offers lower power consumption, faster data transmission rates, lower latency, wider coverage, and more on supported devices. Both pens offer pressure sensitivity for a more natural writing and drawing experience, but the new M Pencil brings 10,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is more than double than what the S Pen is capable of. This allows artists to replicate intricate writing and drawing strokes when using apps like Mojang Paint that transform your Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch into a digital canvas. And thanks to near-link technology, the M Pencil can now be used for tracing to help you progress in the right direction when you're learning to draw or paint. Check out this tracing test between the latest M Pencil and S Pen and judge for yourself. When it comes to software, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch have their share of pros and cons, like the absence of the Google Play Store on the latter, but take note that you could still download Google apps on the MatePad Pro 13.2-inch via Cheapbox from the app gallery. But the Huawei tablet boasts several features that are missing in the Tab S9 Plus too, such as the ability to downsize apps into 3 different proportions even when using a split screen. There's also Huawei Notes with additional tools such as magnifier and laser pointer, and the Huawei exclusive PC version of the WPS Office app, which is already preloaded on the device and works out of the box. No need to download additional software or purchase a subscription to have access to it. By contrast, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus only supports the mobile version of WPS Office, even in text mode. In addition to a PC-like interface, this upgraded version of WPS Office supports keyboard and touchpad interactions unless you edit PDF files, use formulas in spreadsheets, collaborate with others on projects remotely, and save files in formats recognized by Microsoft Office. With the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch, you can also drag text, images, and files on different screens to SuperHub, where they are temporarily stored, and then drag an item or multiple items to other apps like Huawei Notes or email for editing, or to apps like Files or Gallery for storage. For PC-like productivity, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus supports Samsung DeX, which lets you wirelessly connect the tablet to a monitor or TV for a larger and clearer view in desktop mode. Great for slideshows and video presentations. You can also enter DeX mode without connecting to an external display by tapping the DeX icon in the Quick Settings panel. This is highly recommended if you plan on using the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus for productivity work, especially if you need to switch between multiple app windows. With a more powerful flagship-grade Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor inside, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus lets you multitask with ease. You can even do some serious multitasking without activating DeX mode using the customizable taskbar at the bottom of the screen. This, combined with the processing power of the Tab S9 Plus, makes it a more convenient option for any complex task that requires multiple app windows you can seamlessly jump in and out of. High-end tablets usually have a good set of speakers, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch are no exceptions. Both tablets produce undeniably rich and detailed sound, although the MatePad Pro 13.2-inch delivers more impressive audio performance overall, thanks in large part to its 6-speaker Huawei sound system with 4 woofers and 2 tweeters. We're not exaggerating when we say this is easily one of the best-sounding mobile devices we've ever tested. You get deep bass as well as nice and clear vocals with no harshness in the high ranges. You get a 10,090 mAh battery with a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, while the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch gets a 10,100 mAh cell. Expect similar all-around battery life out of the two devices, where you can get around 2 days of heavy use between charges. In our video streaming test, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus lasted a couple of hours longer than the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch, though that's understandable given the latter's larger display. If you're a casual user, mainly using your tablet to browse the web, check your email from your office, and read documents, you'll probably charge the device once a week. That's not good news if you're eyeing the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, as the tablet maxes out at 45 watts, charging up fully in around 2 hours, which is on the slower side of the premium segment. By contrast, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch takes significantly less time to go from 0 to full, because it supports a much faster 88-watt charging standard that can fully charge the tablet in just 70 minutes. That's incredibly fast for a tablet with a laptop-sized display. So there you have it, our comparison between the newly launched Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. We genuinely like both for different reasons. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus offers faster performance and a better multitasking experience, especially after switching to text mode. The Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch looks much more appealing, mostly due to its near bezel-less design, and flaunts a larger and better OLED display alongside a 6-speaker sound system to deliver superior audio and visuals. It also comes with more feature-rich accessories like the new and ultra-pressure-sensitive M Pencil with Nearlink technology that work well with the Huawei exclusive PC version of the WPS Office app. The MatePad Pro 13.2-inch also charges almost twice as fast as the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus while offering similar battery life. Ultimately, the choice is yours. In the Philippines, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2-inch has this suggested retail price for the variant with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, where the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus currently retails at $61,990 for the same version.